Me and my team are having breakfast here in the office. We're going to have some coffee. And when you and your team gather, you and your business partner gather, or you gather with someone to talk about business, the meal is 100% tax deductible. And I feel like it's one of the most commonly missed tax deductions because of mismanagement or just forgetfulness. Hello. Welcome, y'all. We are another Friday of Business Combos and Coffee, and I am so excited to be here with you guys on this Friday. I guess it's like the second or third Friday of the year. And so for those of you who are catching this on replay, make sure you put in the comment section replay. For those of you, this may be your first time in the group. My name is Spiceda Jackson. I am the accountant that you love, that you want to work with when you are ready to reinvest your profits and pocket more profit. One of the questions that I get asked frequently these days, and I find myself giving like the advice on it, is about meals and entertainment. So I think we're like in our second tax year. So 2020 was the first tax year that meals and entertainment would move from being 50% tax deductible. Now you can take 100% of meals. And so what is meals? And I feel like it's one of the most commonly missed tax deductions because of mismanagement or just forgetfulness. So I've been speaking to some of my clients who have business meetings, and you have your business partners and you have your team and your staff. And like this morning, I had my coffee, and we're going to have coffee and donuts at our office this morning because we're going to be, rebranding and doing some nice fun stuff, which is why I'm all dolled up this morning. But okay. And how does that work? How do you prove that the meal is tax deductible? The first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you maintain receipts. You don't have to maintain receipts for a $2 cup of coffee, but you do need to maintain receipts for every item over $75. It's mandated by the IRS. So if you are ever audited and you don't have the receipt, it's possible you run the risk of your tax deduction getting thrown out. Now, if you have a meal and it's under $75, it should sink into your accounting system if you use your business checking or your business credit card or one of your business related transaction portals, right? If you don't and you're paying for cash for it, make sure that you keep all cash receipts. Okay, and then record those, record who you had dinner with, and with a brief description of what you talked about at dinner. It's time to get tax ready, y'all. Y'all got that? So all I'm saying is make sure that when you're breaking bread with your business bestie, if you're breaking bread with your mentors or people in your accountability group, when you guys are getting together and you're eating a meal together and you're discussing business, make sure that you're capturing that business expense, because you can take 100% of the business meal on your taxes. And all you simply have to do is make sure that you maintain proper records so that if you were ever audited, not saying that you won't, and we're going to knock on some wood, that you don't get audited. Because if you are ever audited, you just want to make sure that you have held on to those receipts that are over $75. Now, one of the tricks that I give my clients to make sure that they have it, right? So in our accounting system that we use, you have the capability of just taking a picture of your receipt and attaching it to the transaction when it comes through your accounting system. That's important to do because it allows you to have the deduction that you need and have the support. Because just this week, I was returning like all these Christmas gifts. And I have a Walmart receipt. And I wish I had my purse in here. If I did, I would show y'all how bad this Walmart receipt looks. It's like the paint is starting to come off, the ink is starting to come off, and although I haven't had the receipt that long, it's been battered and bruised in my purse, and you can barely see it. So to make sure that your receipts are staying in good health, right? That that you can see it. I would take a picture of it. I even mount it and use the clear tape to make sure at least that the amount and the date is there. So that's what I have for y'all today. If y'all got any questions for me, let me know. But don't forget that on January 27th, we are having the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. Get tax ready. Okay, if you want to be a part of the boot camp, make sure you register. Go to pocketmoreprofitbootcamp.com. Today will be the last day that you can register for the boot camp at no additional charge, because there will be a general admission fee for the boot camp, and you can also choose to take the VIP option, which you'll be able to get. And so today, if you're really interested and you're really interested in coming in and joining me for the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp, make sure you register today, because after today, there will be a registration fee for general admission, and then there will be a VIP part.
So we use either Xero accounting system or QuickBooks accounting system, or any accounting system that you have. It will give you the capability of taking the receipt and attaching it to the transaction. Any accounting system that you have, we actually use that accounting system. We use Xero, QuickBooks, or whatever accounting system you have. But she said, "No, I'm not camera ready." But make sure you take a picture of it. If you don't have an accounting system yet, it's okay. Just save a folder, grab a folder on your G drive or wherever you save folders, a thumb drive or a jump drive. Save your documents down to that, and you'll be able to have it for proof. And just make sure that you're making sure you're audit ready and audit proof. So this morning, for those of you guys who are catching late, because I don't want to jump on and jump off, this is about meals and entertainment. How can having a business meal be tax deductible? And so the tips that I gave already were that when you go to dinner with your business bestie, a mentor, a prospective client, make sure that if you use your business credit card or you use your business bank account, and if that's not always possible. Sometimes we pay cash, sometimes we don't have that card with us, but make sure that you capture the receipt. For all transactions over $75, you need to make sure that you keep those receipts so that if you were ever audited, you would have those receipts. I highly recommend taking pictures of the receipts and attaching them to your accounting system. And in lieu of that, make sure that you have a filing system that you can keep them electronically, because, it's really hard to see receipts once they get old. All right, that's what I have for y'all. I am Spiceda Jackson, the accounting you love, CEO and founder of X Financial Inc. We do business as Tax Plus 365, and we help business owners avoid financial trouble. So if that's you and you want to work with us, just go to discovery.xfinancialcpa.com, and I would love to chat with you to see about working with us. If you know that you need catch-up accounting or some fast fit tips, or to get your accounting right for this tax season, and you're already ready to work with us, book one of those discovery calls. If you know that you may want to try to do it yourself, I'm actually helping you guys do that by joining me for the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp that starts on January 27th. And I know you guys are busy business owners, so it's going to be 1 2-day boot camp. On the first day, we will talk about how to get tax ready, how to reduce your taxes, what you need to do, how to be prepared. I just don't want y'all to be stressed out about tax season this year, okay? And you don't have to be. All right, so I'll see y'all later. Until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction, and that's up. Bye, y'all.